This is a 2011 Hyundai Tucson. It's known in some markets as the iX35. In this video, I'm going to give you some information on removing and reinstalling the serpentine belt, which is nestled down in here. It's a little bit difficult to get to. And we're going to do it on the ground from above without having to lift up the car. Before I do anything else, I'm going to take this floor jack and put a little block of wood on it, and I'm going to slide it right under the engine oil pan. With the weight of the engine supported from underneath by the floor jack, I'm going to remove this motor mount bracket, and it has 3 bolts here, well, 2 nuts and 1 bolt on the engine side and 1 nut right on top of the motor mount. With the nuts and bolts removed, this comes right off. Now, it does not hurt at all to also remove this motor mount itself. So there with the bolts out, this comes out too very easily. So with the motor mount and the bracket removed, I have very easy access to this bolt right here for the tensioner, 17 millimeter, and it's very easy to move it, so you can loosen the belt and remove it, and it'll also make it very easy to reinstall the belt. Belt routing, which is genuinely a little bit tricky. I'm going to try to explain it as best I can. So you see in the back there, that's the power steering pulley. See it right here. And in the bottom there, that's the crankshaft pulley. Now the belt wraps all the way around the power steering pulley, over the tensioner pulley, and down to the crankshaft pulley. It goes around the bottom of the crankshaft pulley to the AC pulley down on the bottom that you can't see. It goes around the AC pulley and back up to the alternator. Wraps the alternator, and this is a little bit tricky part here. You have that smooth idler pulley down there. So it goes over the alternator, down under that smooth idler, wraps the smooth idler, comes back up over this top idler, and from there all the way back to the power steering pulley, and that completes the loop of the serpentine belt. And in case you need it, here's the actual diagram. The car starts up smoothly, no noise from the belt or from the motor mount, and a little peek at the view.